So hi guys, here is a presentation on how to begin forex trading. In other words, forex for beginner. So let's dive straight into this video. Quick one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more update like this. So guys, stay tuned. So step one, understanding the basic. What's the basic? First of all, what is forex? A lot of people think forex is hard. A lot of people think forex is a scam. A lot of people think forex is difficult. But what is forex? Forex is just the ability or the act of changing currencies in the market. So how do we change this currency in the market? Let's say for instance now you are traveling from one country to another. Before you enter a particular country, you need to change your own particular currency to another currency. So the act of changing your own currency to another currency is what they call the forex. That is what you're doing. You're exchanging currency you're exchanging from one currency to another currency. Now, we also have the black market also. So the black market where you exchange to another currency. So now, when does the market open for this currency to be exchanged? The market open just only Monday to Friday. Now, what I mean by when does the market open? So what I meant is we now have platforms whereby we can exchange these currencies. So and those platforms just open Monday to Friday. So what are the currency that we exchange? You already know. We exchange the US, we exchange the euro, the US dollars, the Chinese, the Japanese yen, the Canadian dollar, etc. So now, what are the terms we need to look out for when having this app or when getting this app or when downloading this app so we can be able to what to exchange this currency? Terms we need to look out for is what? And terms we need to understand is the pips. We need to understand pips, we need to understand leverage, we need to understand lot size, and we need to understand spread. These are the key terms we need to understand while coming into what? Into Forex. So understanding all this will give you an edge over the market, give you an edge while trading all these currencies. So it's not a big deal. It's not something that is very difficult. It's something that is very simple. You can actually get by it. So it's just the act of buying and what the act of buying and selling of um, currencies. So now we move on to what are the essential tools you need to start this journey. What are the tools you need? You need a trading platform. That's number one, which is very important. Like I said, what are the platform you need to trade this at your comfort zone? Because you cannot just carry a currency, a particular currency, say okay, you want to go and trade it at a particular location. So now there is an app whereby you can trade this at your comfort zone in your home. So now what are the platform? You need a MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. This you can find it on your app store. It's on your app store or your iOS. It's there for iOS, you find it on your Apple, whatever. So now after that, after your MetaTrader 5 or 4, you also need a trading view. This one also you can find it on your app store. They are all there. You can find it on your app store. You just need to do is go to your app store, search for your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, look which best suits you. Download any of them, then you look for a trading view, you type for trading view on your app store, then you download it. After downloading it, what this trading view is to analyze the market, is to analyze the chart, to analyze the market to see who is in control, to know either you are buying or you are selling a particular currency. So now this MetaTrader 4 or 5, what is it used for? It is used to enter the market. It is used to place your order, your buy order or your sell order. Now now the next thing we need to look out for is what? Number two is brokers. Now, who are the brokers? the brokers are the one that gives us the opportunity, or yes, the opportunity to what, to be able to what, trade this market, because we by ourselves we can't trade the market. It's not possible, because before we can trade this market by ourselves we need billions of dollars, and where can we get billions of dollars? We don't have it. So that is when the brokers comes in. The brokers gives us leverage over the market, whereby you can take your small dollar, you can take your $10, you can take your $20, you can take your $100 to what, to trade the market, to trade a big volatility in the market. So now, what are the things you need to look out for in choosing a broker? You need to know, you need to choose a regulated broker. You need to look for a broker that have a low spread, fast execution, and a broker that also have a what, a demo account that gives us access to a demo account. These are very, very important tools we need to what, we need to look out for in starting our journey as a forex trader. So the next thing we need to be looking out for also again is chart and analysis tools. So after you have gotten your trading view, after you have gotten your trading view, you also what, you also need to look out for, you also need to look out for indicators that can help you also analyze the market. And indicators are like the moving average, the RSI, and the MACD. This also is a very important tools. Now, the next thing you need to look out for is what, the smart money concept for advanced learning. This smart money concept is what I actually do. It's what I actually trade in the market. The smart money concept. It's not. It's the advanced part. It's the advanced trading skill. It's an advanced trading skill. So this is actually what I use in trading the market. And if you want to understand more about the smart money concept, the way the markets move, the way the buyers and the seller actually move the market, you can always reach out to me, or you can always text me. I'll always be there. Or the next video I'll be I'll be dropping the concept. I'll be dropping how the smart money, or how the banks, how they move the market. So after the tools, the next thing we should be looking out for is news and what, news and calendar. So now, things that affect the market, which a lot of people don't know. There are things that affect the market. For instance, now you analyze the market and you see, okay, I'm going in for a buy or I'm going in for a sell, without knowing the news of that particular currency, or without checking the calendar of what is going to happen next, might make you lose money into the market. Now, where are the platform whereby you can check the news, read news? We have the forexfactory.com, we have the myfxbook.com for economic news, and you need to stay updated with high impact events, which is very, 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 very important. This is the core. This is the core and the fundamentals of what, of trading, because a lot of people have also lost to the market without understanding these things. A lot of people think forex is a scam, which forex isn't. But if you should understand these things, if you should put them in check, I'm telling you, you are good to go. And don't think all this is a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's just a skill. You need to just have the skill. If you have the skill, all these things are just very, very, very simple. Very simple. It's like ABC. So the next step, you need to practice before using a real money. That is why the book has always give us a demo account. Demo account. Start with a demo account. Master one strategy, which is SMC, the smart money concept. Follow the strategy. Understand the skills comes first before the money. The skill comes first before the money. If you have a particular skill, a particular strategy in executing the trade in the market, I'm telling you, the money coming in. Another thing you need to look out for is tracking your progress. Having a journal. Having a journal is very important if you want to become a successful trader. If you want to become a very good trader, you need to have a journal. This journal help you track your record, your losses, your wins, helps you track your psychology, because also you need to have a good psychology. I'll be talking about psychology in my next video. I hope you join. And also, if you want to watch my psychology, we talk about the psychology. I want you to just click the like button, and Just click the like button and stay tuned for more updates like this. So you need to track your you need to track your record, you need to track your wins, your loss. It's very, very important becoming a forex trader, becoming a very successful trader in the industry. Very important. Now the last but not the least is the bonus tips. Focus on risk management. Focus on risk management. Focus on risk management. This is a very, very important skill. You can know how to trade, but if you don't have a good manage skill, a good risk management, I'm telling you, it's like as if you are carrying your money and you're pouring it back into the market. You are going out to hustle for money and coming back and putting it into market and losing it. You need to have a good risk management. Focus on a very good risk management. You need to know how much you are willing to risk. You need to know how much you are willing to make. You don't need to be greedy. You need to know how much is going in and how much you are bringing out from the market. You need to know that is very important because trading without risk management, it's like it's like you're carrying, you're just it's like as if you're fetching water in a basket. So it's important you have a good skill. Yeah, it's important you have a good risk management. Then the next one that follows is be patient with your trading skill. Be patient with your trading skill. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. Trading is a skill. The moment you have this skill, it's for life. I'm going to say it again. Trading is not a it's not a get quick rich scheme. But the moment you understand this skill, the moment you have this skill, I'm telling you, you're set for life. This skill can be passed down to generation to generation to generation. The important thing is first go for the skill, then the money start coming in. So now the next thing you need to look out again for is joining a good community whereby you can share ideas, you can share trading ideas and trading skills, whereby you can also communicate with the community and also try to learn. I'm going to emphasize on this one. Keep learning, learn more, learn more, learn more. You can follow me on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my TikTok channel. I always drop videos like this. I always drop video of my analysis, and I always drop videos of possible moves in the market. So you can follow my TikTok, you can follow my YouTube also. Please keep a like button and turn on the notification for more updates like this. So trading is a very, 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 very interesting journey. It's a very, very interesting journey. You don't need to think of it as a big deal. It's like having a normal skill. When having that skill, all you just need to do is implement that skill and you see yourself flying in colors and you know that the sky is just your limit, or they say the sky is the starting point. So I wish you guys best of luck. Then one thing I need also, if you really want in depth, okay, in depth of all these things, you want to begin your journey in forex trading, you can always reach out to me. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link below this video. So you can always use the link to reach out to me and then we can begin the journey together. So you're not alone in this journey. You're not alone. We're all in the journey together. So thank you guys and stay updated.